Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today I have a quick one to share with you. One that's the normally say shall never end. See, there is a way or there is a reason why you are coming across Progress the Analyst. But before I start, I want you to understand that if you really want to get all the details about what is happening all over the globe, you just need to subscribe. You need to stay close to this channel because here I give it to you back to back and I give you all the updates. See, there is something that happened recently, although it's still happening right now, about the 10 days protest, which was declared by Nigeria saying the theme is ash and bad government. As I am talking to you, a lot of the states, they are no longer interested in the protest anymore. Una need to understand, say Nigeria na push and start. People at times, they are not really serious of what they really want. But believe me, not before not a part of Nigeria, in that aspect, things still they work out as it should be. They are still protesting, saying they go complete the 10 days, even add more days. But that is not really the reason why I am here. The reason why I'm here is about Simon Ekpa, the Biafra Prime Minister, and Governor Hope Uzodimma. I and you know that anything when they happen for southeastern part of Nigeria, they go tag and say that the Biafra Prime Minister they do everything na they do So now when it comes to this protest, he announced that he don't want any Biafran person to join the protest. Now wetin he talk. At the initial stage, there is a lot of backlash. People were insulting him, telling him that why will you say there should not be protest? Is it possible? It can't work that way. You don't have the right to declare or to tell the people not to protest. A lot of things really happen. See, now the truth are they tell una so. Now we they follow up all the matter, the story. So a lot of people were really against him, saying that why will he declare that the protest should not be heard, because he understands, say, if this protest happened for all over Nigeria, a lot of states go away with her. But believe me, if the southeastern part of Nigeria come on, three things go do 90. So the people now, they don't understand. In other words, when the Biafra Prime Minister said this, the people easily connect. They understand, say, yes, this is what we want, and they stood for it, by it and for it. They said no, they're not the joy for any protest, of which that is exactly what they did. All of a sudden, Governor Hope Uzodimma come out say, he really greets people. That is because of the message that he passed. That is why the people refuse to come out to protest, that he is the one that, in fact, he don't already take glory already, saying na he cause and when make the people not come out to protest. He could they greet them, say you people have tried, you people have done well, obeying us, blah blah blah. Now there night the Biafra Prime Minister come answer and say, guy, you not go feel work out like that. Why will you say you are the one that called for this cease of protest? Why will you say you are the one that said the people should not protest and they obey you? He made. Now there the Biafra Prime Minister raised up and said that Governor Hope Uzodimma is not really in charge of anything in Biafra land. That he, the Biafra Prime Minister, Biafra Republic Government in Ezra, they are in charge. Anyways, when I join these two things together, I have to listen or read comment, the minds of people, if it's true that Governor Hope Uzodimma is really the one that the people are obeying, my people. If you now see the way the comment section of where Governor Hope Uzodimma passed this degree, say na make the people not agree protest, that they are forever go read comment, not before the Biafra Prime Minister comment session. The people let her understand, say nobody listening to you, Oga. They say na the Biafra Prime Minister they listening to, not be you. Say Hope Uzodimma not really get what it takes to really call for such action that they go obey. Abba. Now say no make I talk to my people, make they listen, make they hear. Anyways, we also have a lot of funny, serious and compromises issue in this particular video that you are listening to now. Please pay much attention, because at times when people they talk, they go they say maybe you hate the Yoruba people, but hear this coming from the Yoruba mouth, and also how they have planned, thinking that it was the Igbo that have called for this protest. Is the Igbo that are working against the Yoruba people. I don't really want to talk too much. Listen, follow up, and I'll be right back.
So Yoruba, we should stop complaining because we need to protest. We need to come out and protest. Igbo are disrespecting our institution. They disrespect our traditional ruler. They disrespect all our headers, and they can't take it in their own space. Therefore, we must not fold our hand. I just have to tell everybody this: this protest, Igbo must go, and the scrap of a unitary system is a must, and it's coming, and it's going to be loud. It's going to, whoever that want to die should go and die. It's in our space. This is our heritage. This is the land our father fought for. And we will not allow anybody, no matter how many acres of land you buy, it is our land. And your land, your purchased land have expired time. Therefore, you cannot claim ownership.
Real quick, make I do this video. I have finally come to conclusion that Igbos were not the one that plotted the 1966 coup. Yes, no be Igbos. Now let me explain why I said so. Few months ago, the Igbos were online saying they are not going to protest. Like, they make them known to everybody that we are not going to protest. We are not joining any protest. Fast forward to earlier this week, or last week, I see a whole lot of Yoruba men online flooding the internet with a video saying the Igbos are the one calling for protest. Then I was shocked, like, these people know they online since they see videos. I even see some Yoruba people that was attacking Igbo people, making videos attacking Igbo people that, why won't you people vote? Why won't you people protest? Why you people protest? All of us are suffering. You don't want to protest. And now all of a sudden, you people tag them as the people that are calling for the protest. So how much more? This one is happening right in front of us, like right in our eyes. We all know that the Igbos are not the one calling for protest. Why are they pinning it on the Igbos? So this made me come to conclusion that the 1960 coup was carried out by the Yorubas, and because it was not successful, they quickly pin it on the Igbos. Yes, that is what happened. I talk with my full chest. Now what happened? Now Yorubas plotted the 1960 coup. It was because it wasn't successful. That was the reason why it was pinned on the Igbos. Yes, to wash them clean. Yes, that was what happened. Because you can't tell me that you are saying right in front of you. Okay, make I show you now the video. Watch this video. Watch this video.
mai ya ƙara kuɗi ba a yi magana akan ƙara kuɗin mai ba an ce kan mu yi zanga-zanga jiya wasu sun fito sun yi zanga-zanga ba wanda ya musu magana sai mu mun fito yau an ce ba za mu yi ba amma za mu haƙura.
So now after seeing videos like this and see the Northerners always calling for protest, always calling for protest, you still pin it on the Igbos? You don't do too much. Make una reduce the hatred. Make una reduce them. Make una reduce the hatred. I beg. You don't do too much. And another thing I want to say is that Yoruba, you people are. I be Yoruba, but I'm a real son of Yoruba. I know the fear. Una we know the real talk truth. When una see truth, una no be Yoruba. Now una be that bastard when una they always call me. Una na be that. Are you people scared to face the Northerners? Okay, now Igbo people na hand feel rich. Now one they always call out Igbo people. Now no they see all those Northerners where they call out for protest. What you don't do? Nothing. You have done nothing to that. But you are quick to call the Igbos are the one calling for protest. Igbos are the one calling for protest. When Igbos call for protest? When? How? Where? Just like that, Igbos are the one calling for protest. Una need change this mentality when una get, when una want the pin, or every bad thing where they happen around the world, una want pin them to Igbo people. It's no good. Make una stop am. Make una stop am. This one now, una no go feel like say una no see am. Igbo don't talk since day one, say they know they protest. The Northerners are the one calling for protest. Go and meet them. Stop doing as if you don't. Face your fears. Face your fears. The Northerners are the one calling for protest. Face your fears. And the most delusional thing I've heard any Yoruba man saying online is, if it's Igbo man now, they will not protest. If it's Hausa man now, they will not protest. It is because it's Yoruba man that was there. That is the reason they want to protest. I want to ask a question. Under which regime did they do Operation Occupy Nigeria? The protest Occupy Nigeria was under which regime? Good Lord Jonathan. NSAS protest was under which regime? Buhari. So how they no protest under other people this thing, they won't come protest for it? You people are too delusional. Now Yoruba people now una carry protest for head. NSAS so Occupy Nigeria una carry protest for head. Now una no fit chop wetin una dey dish to others. Una dey fear.
Hey, now what for wire road? So my beautiful family, that bring us to the end of this update. On see the way the matter take play. Please like the videos, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst as I bring all the update to you back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.